Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Appst Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable your passcode on your Trust Wallet's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To disable your passcode on Trust Wallet, firstly go ahead and launch open your Trust Wallet application. The home page of Trust Wallet application will appear on the screen. From the main home page, click on little gear icon at the top left corner of the page. You will end up on the settings page of your Trust Wallet's account. Click on security option. Now to disable passcode, slide the slider of passcode to the left side to turn it off. This is how you can disable passcode on your Trust Wallet's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.